when colors of amazement and excitement come together. Expect a mixture of adventure like no other. Kick off the zest with a panoramic view, as this brings you to hues and shades of something fun and new. Abra! From there, every color of magic and friendship begins, creating a splash of uninterrupted bliss. A color of overflowing, enticing scenery, painted by shaded, plunging waters of unassuming beauty. A color of pounded, roasted blend, expertly textured and perfected by experienced hands. Color of unquestionable guts, courage, and grit, fearlessly shown by a heroine's fighting spirit. A color of cultural identity and preservation, showcased in every fiber of unique creation and distinct collection. Color of local pride and divine delicacy, prepared carefully, then served with a huge dose of culinary identity. A color of ingenuity and excellence in traditional art, impeccably mastered by a national treasure's passion for his craft. Color of overwhelming twilight, wildly illuminated by blazing flames and dancing sparks. Oh, this grand masterpiece called Abra. Warm, welcoming colors unraveled, a perfect mix of fun and friendship unfolded. Nature's wonder, modest, yet unparalleled. Take a chance. Find yourself in the Cordilleras.